Now student, let's continue with the previous video. The previous video was incomplete, so here I am continuing with that. So what we came to know in previous case, that the value is getting overwritten with another value as it gets stored in same location. I am repeating, the value is getting overwritten with new values as it gets stored in the same location. Fine. Now in Python, what happened? Python has series of numbers in its memory and with series of addresses. So when we define age equal to 15, so what the Python does, age is a label. So the 15 will get assigned with the label age. As I gave you here the explanation, here age is referring now to location 20216 that has value 15. Okay, so what the label, they don't have any label, this location, this location, this location, they don't have any label yet because we didn't specify variable for them, we didn't specify label for them. As we specify the label for this particular location, so 15 has a label now, that label name is age. Okay, let's continue. Now in next case, suppose I am declaring age equal to, here age is referring to now location 20216 that has value 15, which already we saw. Now suppose 20 is the new value which I am assigning to the variable age. 20 is the new value which I am going to assign in the variable age. So the label age will not be having the same location as earlier. It means in previous case what used to happen, if I am writing age equal to 20, so here the 20 used to get overwritten with means 20 used to get overlapped with on 15. So in Python case, it used to happen, because 20 is in a different location. 20 is in a different location, so it will now refer to value 20. So where the 20 value is kept, it is kept in 20296 location. So which is different location as shown below. You see, same drawing I did here, and the 20 is now referring to whom? Now to 20296. Okay, so now in this case, age is referring to location 20296. Previously the age was referring to whom? 20216. Now the age refers to whom? 20296. Okay, hope all of you understood the concept. Here as the values are stored before in memory in a continuous manner. So specifying a label to it, specifying a variable to it is just tagging or just putting a label name on it. Nothing else it is doing. Neither it is overwriting the values, nor it is staying in the same location. It is changing the location. Wherever the value gets stored, it is just putting a label on it. Clear my point? Now let's see the notes, the gist what we got. Thus variables in Python do not have fixed locations. This is important. Thus variables in Python do not have fixed location. In other case, if you see, they have fixed location. Age is a variable which gets stored in case of 202530. Age has a particular address. So any value you keep in age will stay there only, will stay in that same location only. Fine. Here you check, I am putting 20 in age. So in this case also same location it is utilizing. But in Python what happened, when age we are putting 15, so in this case it is pointing to a location that is 20216, and when we are changing the values, that is age equal to 20, now it is pointing to a different location that is 20296. Fine. So here the concept, brief introduction or brief summary what it is given. Now thus variables in Python do not have fixed location unlike other programming languages. The location they refer to changes every time their value changes. When we change the values, automatically the location gets changed, not it kept in the same location as it did in other languages. Okay, I am repeating, the location they refer to changes every time their value change. When we change the value, the location gets changed. Okay, so this concept is not applicable for all types of data type. Means all type of variable is not applying this concept. Only in integer case we are seeing, and later on we will discuss other types in different manner. Clear? Hope all of you clear about the concept of how the variable is getting treated in traditional programming language and how it is different in Python language. Let's continue with a new thing, that is L value and R value. What is L value? What is R values? Left values, right values. So let's discuss expressions that come on the LHS left hand side of an assignment is known as L value. In an expression, if the value what we kept, or the content what we kept, or the expression what we kept in left side, that is L value. Same way, the content or the expression what we kept right side, it is right hand side value or RHS value. Fine. The literals or expressions that evaluate a value cannot come in LHS. It means evaluate a value, for example a plus b. A plus b is evaluating something, na? It is calculating, it is doing some process. So in that case, can we write a plus b in left side? No. So that's why it is written, the literals or expressions that evaluate a value cannot come on LHS of an assignment. Hence, they are R values. They has to be kept in right side of the expression. But variable names can come on LHS of an assignment. Always variable name you can keep in LHS, as well as if it is needed you can keep in RHS. They are L values. The value what you kept in left side, that is L values, or the variable what you kept in left side, that is L values. Fine. L values can come on LHS as well as RHS of an assignment. Okay, see the example, then better you can understand. For example, suppose we wrote a equal to 15 and b equal to a plus b. So this is in a single program. 15 is the value kept in a, or a is a label which we assign to 15. Fine. Next line I wrote b equal to a plus 12. So a plus 12 is a RHS, and this is also RHS. This is LHS. This is LHS. I told variable can be kept in left side as well as right side. So LHS value, in LHS I can keep the variable as well as in RHS, but the RHS value what I kept in RHS, that never can be kept in LHS, as the example is given here. We cannot write. Can we write 15 equal to a? This should be in RHS, na? This never can be to LHS. This also should be in RHS. This never can be kept in LHS. Okay, understood? Hope the concept of L value and R value. In an expression, always the variable has to be kept in left side, and variable can go to the right side as well. But never in an expression the RHS value never can come to the LHS. Fine. Hope all of you understood the concept.